Hi, baby. Here, go. What do you do with my iPhone? What were you just doing with it? Sit down. Now you want my iPad. Weren't you trying to unlock my iPhone? What were you doing? Here. You want it? You can have it. Sit down. Here. What? What do you do? Oh, you want Tiger? Look. She tries. Don't ya, Addison? You have crazy hair. Bedhead. Well, don't forget the phone. Let me see this. Okay. Did anybody see that? Because, yeah. She's not even 10 months old. You crazy child. You're crazy. Crazy. Do you understand that? Wave bye-bye. Bless you! What are you doing? Deleting everything? Wave bye-bye. Addison! You have nobody to wave bye-bye to, do you? Oh, so you're trying to unlock it again? You're silly. Bye-bye. Hi, crazy girl.